Okay, the next part, this is very different. This is the cone that will go on top of the bulkhead. So there's a lot of options. There are these black areas that you can leave it, but it's optional to cut them out with a scalpel or with a X-Acto knife. You will need to carefully cut each one of these sections, and it's pretty time consuming and pretty difficult because it not only has two vertical lines here, but there is two curves that with a knife it's not that easy on people who are not that experienced in and using a knife and cutting this small piece. So for those, my best advice is just to leave it like that with these black areas. Curve the entire cone, and that's it, you know. But for those who are more OCD, compulsive, or trying to be more accurate and trying to make their model more realistic, so they can cut it like right now. I have one piece cut out with a special tool that I got the other day, and it's this punch holder for belts for leather. It has different spikes here, if you can call it, with a different diameters of the holes to punch in. So it's pretty handy and it saves you time. And I'll show you how to do it. Let's do this. What I will do is first to cut through these vertical lines like that, and right now I'm going to make a hole on the bigger circle. So I use this this punch hole. Press firmly, and there you go. If you could see. Now I will make the other one. I will use a much narrow opening. I think this is it. And very carefully aligning there, and press firmly, and there you go. Not bad. Make the second one. If you are too picky, you can just trim these curves, but pretty much done. Looks very good. All right, so we'll go ahead and cut all these black areas except for the ones that already have a drawing of this circle. So in this case, I will just need to cut out this little piece here. Okay, so let's do this, and for that I'm going to use a knife. So you see I used both methods. I can just demonstrate how to do this. Believe me, it's a task that you cannot rush into. There you go. So you could see the results. Here. All right. Very good. So I'm gonna use the hole puncher. I'm gonna cut through the vertical lines here. And I'm going to use the smaller circle there. Let me put closer my, okay, I have to align the camera. It's hard to do this while trying to be sure that the camera is pointing to what I'm doing. There. Believe me, this tool saves you a lot of time. Okay, now I'm gonna use the bigger hole, the larger hole, which is, let me see if it's this one here. Very good. There. Good. One more. Pretty good. Now it's just a matter of trim the openings. There's